Welcome to the BLUETTI support. Today, we're diving into 3 power solutions for all RVers. Whether you're a weekend traveler or live on the road full-time, we've got the energy to supercharge your RV experience. If you're just getting started or only do short trips, check out our Essential RV Charging Kit. It's plug and play, no need to mess with your RV's wiring. The Apex 300 gives you 3,840 watts of power and a whopping 2,764.8 watt-hours capacity. Whether you're camping or cruising down the highway, this setup's got you covered without a hitch. If you're all about exploring national parks or tackling cross-country, our RV dual charging kit is your perfect match. With an extra battery for extended power, plus simultaneous solar panels and fast vehicle charging, you're always juiced up. No more worrying about the weather or running out of power. Just keep moving and stay charged wherever you go. If you prefer camping at sites with charging stations, our campsite fast charging kit has your back. With 2 high current cables, you can power up while using your gear. And when you're on the road, just swing by an EV station for a quick top-up. More power, less hassle, and big savings on campsite energy costs. That's a quick rundown of the combos. You can jump straight to the kit that suits you best. But we'd recommend checking them all to see which one will make your RV adventures even better. Combo 1, Essential RV Charging Kit. The first kit packs the Apex 300 power station and the Hub D1 DC power hub, giving your RV a serious AC and DC power boost. Getting started is easy. Just press and hold the Apex 300 power button for 2 seconds to power it on. Need AC power? Tap the AC power button and you're good to go. With 3,840 watts of output and 4 AC outlets, the Apex 300 can handle just about anything. So plug in your essentials and keep the good times rolling. Got a shore power inlet? Even better. Just plug into the NEMA TT30 and NEMA 1450 ports for a seamless AC power connection. Now, you might be wondering where the DC output is. Well, we've removed the usual DC panel and upgraded the internal circuit, simplifying it from 3 stages to 2. That means less energy loss and an impressive 95% depth of discharge. But don't worry, if you want to power your RV's DC appliances, just add the Hub D1. This 700 high power hub has 9 outlets across 5 port types, so you can hook up multiple devices. Mount it however you like. Clip it onto the handle, secure it to a card, or fix it to the wall. And here is the real game changer. The 50 amp Anderson RV port is built to plug straight into your RV's DC fuse box or panel for direct, reliable power. See, setup couldn't be easier, and your entire RV is ready for adventures. Combo 2, RV Dual Charging Kit. This kit's got everything you need. Along with the Apex 300, you get the B300K expansion battery for extra power, a Charger 1 alternator charger for fast car charging, and 2 PV350 solar panels to capture solar energy. Plus, no need to search for extra cables. Everything's right in the box. It's basically an upgraded, self-sufficient power solution for your RV, built on a solid AC plus DC system, but with some tweaks. It gives you total off-grid independence. Pairing the Apex 300 with the B300K gives you a massive 5,529.6 watt-hours of capacity. Enough to power your fridge, TV, and lights running for a whole week. And here's the highlight. The Apex 300 has dual MPPT channels, so you can charge it with both the Charger 1 and solar panels at the same time, juicing up faster than ever. Speaking of Charger One, it's a high-speed alternator charger that taps into your RV's built-in alternator and pulls in 560 watts of power, 6 times faster than a regular car charger. On the left side, you'll find the input ports. Connect those to your RV's alternator. On the right, you've got the output ports. Those go to the Apex 300. Then, grab the solar charging cable, plug the MC4 connectors into the Charger One, and then connect the other end to the Apex 300's DC input port. Done! As for the PV350 solar panels, they are foldable, durable, and water resistant, built to handle the great outdoors. To set them up, use the 2 parallel solar cables and solar charging cable in the kit. Follow the steps in the image, connect everything, and plug the solar output cable into the second DC input port. That's it! A quick, easy setup for unlimited power wherever the road takes you. Combo 3. Campsite Fast Charging Kit. This kit includes the Apex 300, a B200K battery, a Hub D1, a 30A RV charging cable, and a 50A EV charging cable. But it's more than just keeping your AC and DC systems running. This setup helps cut down campsite power costs while giving you a faster, more flexible way to recharge. If you're wondering how this differs from the RV Dual Charging Kit, it's simple. That combo relies on solar and your RV's alternator, while this one is all about using public power sources for ultra-fast charging. Let's break it down. The Apex 300 features a highly versatile P050A AC port. Just plug in the 30 amp or the 50 amp charging cable. Connect the other end to a compatible charging station and you're back to full power in no time. And here's the real kicker. When plugged into shore power, the Apex 300 supports bypass charging. That means it can deliver 6,000 watt output for 120 volt appliances and a massive 12,000 watt for 240 volt appliances, even if the battery is running low. No interruptions, no slowdowns, just seamless, on-demand power whenever you need it. No matter how you roll, off-grid adventures, full RV power, or custom DIY upgrades, the Apex 300 keeps it all smooth, simple, and hassle-free. Just plug in, power up, and hit the road. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and reliable tech support. Thanks for watching and see you next time.